there wouldn't be a cassoulet without beans. Those beautiful beans are haricots tarbais.
Haricots tarbais.
Haricots tarbais.
Haricots tarbais.
They are the best beans for cassoulet.
Duck and pork coming together with the beans is like perfect for this time of year.
And it's important to do that because you're building a thicker crust by breaking it.
Okay, let's bake it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Voilà. C'est cassoulet.
Look how beautiful the cassoulet is.
Here is my beautiful cassoulet, just take it from the oven.
Et voilà, cassoulet ready.
Of course, there wouldn't be cassoulet without a good red wine. And the tradition at Boulud is big bottles.
Enjoy cassoulet, as I say.